Hi everyone, and welcome to Rell's Art and Craft Studio, and I'm Rell, and thank you so much for joining me today. So this piece I'm going to show you a little tutorial on is just on a piece of MDF. I actually cut two out exactly the same, just a bit of an unusual shape. I just didn't want, a normal square rectangular one that I normally do. I just wanted something slightly different. So I cut this one out and then I sanded it down, put a couple of coats of gesso over the top, and then I laid down the barrier using the Apoxie Sculpt, and then put some acrylic paint over the top of those in the lines that I was looking for in those colours, in the red, gold and black. And then I laid down some stones and glued them down and let them sit for a day before I've come in and started doing the resin over the top. So what I'm doing now is just putting some clear resin over the top of the stones. They're quite secure, but I just like putting the clear resin over the top first, just to make sure that they are going to be secure and not move around too much while I'm doing the rest of the colours in there. So I'll let you watch the rest of the video. I'll fast forward some of it because it's much the same, me doing two pieces exactly the same. And in the end, I've got a little piece where I've just come in and done some lines with my gold Posca pen, and just to give it a little bit more texture and, just to make it look a little bit more sparkly in some of the areas. And then what I did was just put another clear coat of resin over the top. So again, thank you so much for joining and thank you for watching. Now all the products that I use are in the description below, all the links to Kim Gow's art studio over in Perth in Australia, where I get all my products, so her link's down below as well. So make sure you go and check out her online store where I get all my products from, especially if you're here in Australia, because the postage and handling is really very economical, and all the products that she uses is Australian products. So I hope you do enjoy this one, and I know it was a bit late. I was about a week late, but unfortunately I ended up with a cold. So here we go. Again, thank you so much for watching. And here's the final product. I'm really happy with the way it's come out, and it's nice and shiny, and the resins just really makes these stones pop as well. So here's all the close-ups that I've done, just a little video at the end here. Again, thank you again so much for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please leave a comment in the video description down below. I'd love to hear from you. Bye for now. Catch you on the next video.